Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are going to make a beautiful snowflake design here. So take this white paper, make multiple folds and make a triangular shape. Now we are going to draw lines on the top of it using black pen and cut it like this. Open it and you will get this beautiful design. Look, going to fold this paper and make a triangular shape like this. After this, take a black marker and draw this beautiful pattern on the top of it and cut it like this, leaving the edge free. Open it and look, you will get this beautiful design. You can use multicolored paper and use it for various decoration purpose. Snowflake design is very easy to make, so take the small piece of paper, make multiple fold like this and make this design at the center. Now using scissor, cut it, open it and look, your beautiful mini snowflake design is ready. Going to fold this pink craft paper and again fold it and make a triangular shape from its corners. Now we are going to draw this feather design on the top of it. Cut it using scissors, cut it from the corner as well. Now carefully open it and you will get this beautiful flower design. Look how pretty this is looking. Going to fold this red craft paper, make multiple folds and make a triangular shape. Flip it again and we are going to cut the base. So take a scissor and cut it like this and we are going to draw a flower shape on the top of it using black marker. Draw the petal and cut it and open it. You will get this beautiful flower design. Look. Now we are going to fold this red craft paper and make a square shape. Again fold it and make this triangular shape. Now we are going to draw a flower petal design like this. Cut it and you will get this heart design. Open it and you will get this beautiful heart design in circular form, and look how pretty this is looking. Now we are going to fold this printed paper from its diagonals. Now we are going to open it, press it and make a triangular shape. Again fold it from its sides. After this we are going to draw a shape on the top of it. Now take a scissor and cut it. Look, you have to cut the lines as well, so carefully, you don't have to cut the edge as well. After this we're going to cut it from other side as well. Cut those lines and we're going to cut it at the bottom part, but don't cut the edge point. Now open it and look, you will get this beautiful heart design. Look, you will get this 4 heart at the corners. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.